Self-driving cars are no longer science fiction. They're becoming part of our present. While Tesla and Waymo often steal the spotlight, one lesser-known company is quietly emerging as a strong contender in this rapidly advancing space, Pony.ai. With its bold vision and expanding global presence, Pony.ai is catching the attention of investors and analysts alike. In this video, we'll dive into what sets Pony.ai apart, how it's positioned in the market post-IPO, and whether this futuristic bet could be the smart addition your portfolio needs. If you're into deep dives on emerging tech stocks, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay ahead with Stocks Telegraph. Founded in 2016 by James Peng and Lu Tiancheng in Fremont, California, Pony.ai has quickly gained recognition as a leader in autonomous driving. The company develops Level 4 autonomous driving systems, vehicles that can operate without human intervention in controlled environments. Pony.ai aims to make this technology scalable, safe, and reliable for everyday use. Pony.ai's growth has been supported by significant capital, including a $400 million investment from Toyota. Other high-profile backers include Sequoia Capital China and IDG Capital. These partnerships have not only injected funds, but also strengthened its technical credibility and commercial outreach. In November 2024, Pony.ai made its debut on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol PONY. It raised around $260 million through its IPO by offering 20 million ADS at $13 each, bringing its valuation to approximately $5.4 billion. While this marked a step down from its earlier private valuation of $8.5 billion in 2022, it was still a notable milestone considering previous regulatory hurdles. The company's journey to the public market was delayed by geopolitical tensions and China's tech crackdown. However, its eventual listing reflects growing investor confidence. Since going public, the stock has seen wide price swings, from a low of $4.11 to a high of $23.88, mirroring broader volatility in the sector. As of May 2025, Pony.ai holds a market cap of about $6.75 billion, signaling strong market interest. What gives Pony.ai a technological edge is its full-stack autonomous driving platform. This includes everything from perception to decision-making and control, enabling real-time responses to complex driving environments. Its algorithms interpret road conditions, predict behavior from other vehicles, and plan safe navigation paths. The company's Pony Pilot program has tested its tech extensively across cities in China, including Guangzhou, Beijing, and Shenzhen. Notably, Pony.ai became the first company to receive approval for paid, fully driverless robotaxi services in Shenzhen's Nanshan district. Pony.ai uses a hybrid sensor approach, combining LiDAR, cameras, and radar for a 360-degree awareness of its surroundings. Its latest vehicles boast 9 LiDARs, 14 cameras, and 4 radars, providing detection capabilities up to 650 meters. This contrasts sharply with Tesla's vision-only system, which forgoes LiDAR in favor of cameras, raising questions about performance in adverse conditions. This layered approach to safety and perception gives Pony.ai an advantage in reliability, helping it build a reputation for consistency in challenging urban environments. Beyond technology, Pony.ai's strength lies in its collaborations with global automakers and regulators. In 2023, the company launched a joint venture with Toyota Motor China and GAC Toyota Motor to deploy fully driverless robotaxis. By pairing Pony.ai's software with Toyota's hardware and GAC's manufacturing capabilities, the partnership aims to accelerate commercialization in China. The company also works with other major OEMs like SAIC, SANY, further expanding its development pipeline. In China, Pony.ai operates in major urban centers and holds licenses to offer commercial robotaxi services. In the US, the company has been testing AVs in cities like Fremont and Irvine. It's one of the few companies to receive permits to operate fully driverless vehicles on Californian streets, underscoring its technical legitimacy in one of the most demanding regulatory environments. Pony.ai's deep integration with China's smart transportation initiatives has also played to its advantage. The government has been supportive, opening thousands of miles for AV testing. Pony.ai's participation aligns with China's goal of becoming a global leader in autonomous tech. The global AV market is on track to explode, projected to grow from $1.7 trillion in 2024 to $3.9 trillion by 2034. This optimism is fueled by rapid tech advancements, safety benefits, and the rising demand for efficient transportation. Pony.ai is well positioned to capitalize on this growth. With over $1.9 billion raised across 11 funding rounds, including from giants like Toyota and Sequoia Capital, Pony.ai has attracted serious institutional interest. Its presence in both Chinese and US markets allows it to gather broad data sets and refine technology in diverse environments, something few competitors can match. Compared to peers like Waymo and Cruise, Pony.ai is focused not just on passenger mobility, but also on logistics and freight. Its multi-market, multi-purpose strategy makes it more flexible and potentially more profitable over time. Despite its promise, Pony.ai faces meaningful risks. One of the biggest challenges is its exposure to US-China tensions. As a company operating across two superpowers, it must navigate increasingly complex data privacy, tech sovereignty, and national security regulations. Restrictions on Chinese companies in the US could hamper its future growth. The regulatory environment for AVs remains fragmented. In the US, state-by-state rules vary widely, and a single incident can derail progress. Pony.ai itself experienced this in 2021, when California suspended its driverless testing permit after an accident. In short, Pony.ai is a high-potential but high-risk investment, dependent on navigating regulatory hurdles and managing capital-intensive growth. In May 2025, Pony.ai announced a landmark partnership with Dubai's Road and Transport Authority to launch robotaxis in the Middle East. It also joined forces with Tencent Cloud to enhance its tech using cloud computing and entered a collaboration with Uber to expand ride-hailing robotaxi services in the region. These developments signal Pony.ai's push beyond the US-China corridor and into emerging global markets. The worldwide artificial intelligence and transportation market is projected to reach $21.4 billion by 2033, growing at a CAGR of 19.5%. Pony.ai's expanding global footprint, supported by strong partners, positions it well to benefit from this growth trend. Pony.ai is more than just another player in the autonomous vehicle space. It's one of the few with global reach, deep R&D, and backing from major automotive players. From achieving robotaxi deployment in Shenzhen to expanding into Dubai with Uber, Pony.ai is proving its ability to scale. The IPO was a significant milestone, giving retail investors a rare opportunity to gain exposure to a pioneering AV company early in its public journey. Still, investors must weigh the geopolitical and regulatory risks that come with its dual market strategy. If you're a long-term investor with a taste for innovation and the patience to ride out volatility, Pony.ai could be worth a closer look. For those seeking exposure to the autonomous revolution, Pony might just be steering the future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Stocks Telegraph. Let us know in the comments. Are you watching Pony stock or already on board? See you in the next one.